In early April 2025, the U.S. stock market experienced significant volatility, primarily due to President Donald Trump's announcement of sweeping tariffs on major trading partners, including China, Canada, and Mexico. These tariffs, which began with a baseline 10% duty on April 5th and escalated for many partners on April 9th, led to widespread investor concern over a potential global trade war and its economic ramifications. Immediate market reaction. The immediate aftermath of the tariff announcement saw sharp declines across major U.S. stock indices. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 1,300 points at the opening bell on April 7th, but partially recovered to close down 349 points, 0.9%, at 37,966. The S&P 500 dipped 0.2%, briefly entering bear market territory, while the Nasdaq Composite fell 4%. European and Asian markets also suffered, with Germany's DAX down over 6% and Hong Kong's Hang Seng plummeting 13.2%. Impact on the technology sector. The technology sector was notably affected by the tariff implementation. Major tech stocks, including Nvidia
First time in
and
7
Tesla,
months, Nvidia is trading below $100.
losses.
It actually went as low
Nvidia's
as
shares fell
$95
by
pre-market.
6%,
And you can see here
while
that
Tesla stock
105 is going to be
declined
some
by
big resistance.
5.6%.
And also the 20-day moving
Other tech
average is still
giants like
sloping
Meta
down.
Platforms and Alphabet also saw their stock prices decrease by 2.5% and 3.2%, respectively. These declines were largely attributed to concerns over increased production costs and potential retaliatory measures from affected countries. Broader economic implications. The tariffs raised fears of recession and stagflation among investors and analysts. Major financial institutions adjusted their economic forecasts in response to the escalating trade tensions. J.P. Morgan increased the odds of a 2025 recession to 60%, while Goldman Sachs raised the recession probability to 45%. Additionally,
First
companies
time
like
in 7
Target
months,
and Best
Nvidia
Buy,
is trading below
despite
$100.
beating
It actually
earnings
went as low as
estimates,
$95
warned of profit
pre-market.
pressures ahead
And you can
due
see
to
here
the
that
tariffs
105
fueling
is going to be some big
uncertainty in
resistance.
consumer
And
spending.
also the 20-day moving
Investor
average is still
sentiment
sloping down.
and market outlook. Investor sentiment remained cautious amid the uncertainty surrounding the tariffs and their potential impact on the global economy. Analysts emphasized the need for clarity on future trade policies and economic outcomes before markets could stabilize. The looming earnings season, particularly among major banks, was anticipated to serve as an early indicator of broader economic strain. Wall Street Journal. MarketWatch. In summary, the implementation of tariffs by the U.S. administration in April 2025 led to significant market volatility, with the technology sector experiencing notable declines. The broader economic implications, including increased recession risks and pressures on corporate profits, contributed to a cautious outlook among investors. The situation underscored the interconnectedness of global trade policies and financial markets, highlighting the need for careful navigation in an uncertain economic landscape.